Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the Rusty Blades YouTube Barber. Today we are going to be taking a look at the JRL Onyx Clipper. Now I have previously done a video on the JRL 2020C and I will leave a card up in the top corner so you can go check that out. But this is going to be an unboxing. We're going to get out the clipper, take a look at it, see if there's any pros or cons to it, and I will do a weight test and a decibel test as usual. That'll be at the end of the video, so stick around for that. Let's stop messing about and let's have a look at the JRL Onyx Clipper.
I'd like to give a massive shout out to Williamsport, Bowman, Barber Supply. Without these guys, I wouldn't be able to do these videos, so go check those out. I will leave a link down below and use code RUSTY10 at checkout. Now we're going to get into the unboxing, so we're just going to open the packaging. It does have quite a nice box on there. It's like a bookcase. So this is the clipper inside with the charger. Got the inlay card here with the instructions. Little bag of knickknacks. So you've got your oil, your zero gap tool, your screwdriver, a little cleaning brush, and your plug. And you also get guards from 8 to a half guard. Now we're going to have a quick look at the features on the back of the box. So it has the patented IQ charge technology, it has the advanced locking lever, the cool technology for the blades to keep them cooler for longer, 5-hour run time. It's equipped with the fade blade with the grooves, powered by the smart cut technology so it won't drag or stall, has the LCD, and it is super quiet.
So now we're just going to have a look at the JRL and I'm going to point out a few pros and cons. Pro number one is the blade. The blade is like the Stylecraft Vapor blade. It's a fade blade but it has the grooves in there so it makes it a little bit more forgiving. So that's pro number one. Number two is the click lever. Now if you've watched all my videos you know that I'm a massive fan of the click system. For any new barber coming onto the scene, I would recommend getting a clipper with a click lever system. It just helps you out so much and keeps you in track with your fade. Pro number three, on the back, this is an improvement from the JRL 2020C. It has like a little thumb indentation or a finger indentation, so it just makes it easier for you to hold it and you can flick away at the hair. It never had that on before, but it still had this little groove across the top, and I found that it rubbed on my finger a little bit. Not bad, but it was just a little thing, and they've obviously listened to the feedback and they've added that. Number four is the LCD on the front, so you know how long you've got left. And the last thing is that it has 2 speed modes, so a low mode and a high mode. I absolutely love that feature. Last thing you want to do is go full tilt, you come into end of a fade and you go in there full blast and you may make a mistake. Slowing it down just helps you, it just control it a little bit more. Those have been the pros, and now we're coming to the cons, or con. So the only con that I can say, and you're going to be thinking, shut up Steve. The reason why I'm saying this is because this is one of the pros that goes into the cons. Let me show you. Down the middle, I don't know if you can see this, there's like a plastic strip. Now when I switch this on, the LCD is offset and not down the middle. And I can't understand why they haven't put it in the middle, but it's just a little con for me. I'm a little bit OCD, and when I look down and I'm cutting hair and it's off to the side like that, it just catches my eye. Absolutely pathetic con, but I just wanted to add it in there. JRL, it's definitely a step up from the JRL 2020C. Not much else I can say, but you've done well with this one.
On the charging dock there's a little button. If you click to the left hand side of that, that is the fast charging. If you click to the right and it goes green, that is the IQ charging, and this is meant to preserve your battery so you get longer out of it.
That has been the JRL Onyx Clipper. Is this a clipper that you're going to be interested in? Get down in comments, let me know. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to smash that thumbs up and all the good stuff. If you're interested in any of the products that I use, you can head over to Williamsport, Bowman, Barber Supply, use code RUSTY10. That'll save you 10%, which is a nice little saving. Helps you out, helps me out, helps the channel out. I've been Rusty Blades, and I will catch you in the next one.
You bring a bar, sorry. Whipping up a big card, like what? Come on, B. Pop on in. See the head just ticky socket? Like shells. Cooking for books in like that.
See, I walked by the other day.